Hi, I'm Mark from LM Small Engine. Today we were working on a Craftsman LT1000 riding lawnmower. Customer brought in this one to get everything checked out, make sure everything's working good for the spring mowing season. So hope you enjoy the video. Okay, let's go ahead and take the hood off, unplug the lights. Jack it up and check this deck out. Okay, we're gonna pop them blades off. They're 9/16 on these old Craftsmans. Okay, you wanna take your blades and put them on top of each other. You just wanna make sure they're both even. Like if a bent blade would be out like that, then we'll check the other side. They don't look too bad. They're really nicked up by like rocks and stuff. We'll put a nice sharpen on them. Look a lot nicer now. Well, that cut that grass really good now. Got all them rock chips out of there and everything. Okay, before we put them back on, clean some of that excess grass and stuff out of there. Don't look too terribly bad, but these decks are designed to be nice and clean, so they push out that grass. And when you put these on, make sure them stars line up with the ones on the shafts. You don't want to booger them up. And always make sure the wings go up in the deck. Okay, now I want to inspect the belt. Really can't get the camera in there too much, but on these Craftsmans, there's 6 places that have like R clips, and sometimes these clips you get popped off and stuff. Just make sure they're all on. Just check for bent brackets or anything. Make sure there ain't no cracks in the belt. Make sure your idler pulley spin freely. And check everywhere for zerks. These spindles here don't have no grease zerks on them, or mandrels, or quills, whatever you want to call them. But I do see a couple on the front axles, so we'll get them greased. Then your transmission belt's up on top. Make sure that looks like it's in good shape. No cracks. Well, this looks really good. There's 4 grease zerks I found so far on this. There's 2 on the front wheels and 2 on the front spindles. And I'll grab a towel. You always want to clean them zerk heads off before you start filling them. One there, and there's one there, and one there. You just want to make sure they're nice and clean. When the grease starts coming out the end, you know it's full. Okay, everything looks good under there. Looks like they were taking really good care of it. Okay, let's lower it down. And well, one thing I'm gonna do real quick. Do the tire pressure. The 2 front tires need to be the same pressure, and the 2 back tires need to be the same pressure. We pretty much, a lot of times it'll say on the side of the tire what the maximum pressure is, and I like taking a few pounds off that for like a smoother ride. There's a lot of lawns around here kind of rough. This one here says 14 pounds. So we'll put 12 in the two front ones. And having the equal tire pressure in them, that'll mean you have nice level cut lawn. That one says 12 also. So like I said, well, I'll minus 2 pounds. So it'll be 10. Everything under there looks really good. Okay, this is a 18 horse Briggs & Stratton. See they have the drain plug here. I like vacuuming out with the vacuum. We'll use the drain on this one here. Put like a little hose extension on here so it don't get oil in the frame. Okay, well that's draining. We're gonna put a new spark plug in there. Before you just try pulling these off, kind of twist them a little bit. I'm gonna pop right off. Air filter don't look too terribly bad. We can see in the pleating or whatever, there's dirt all the way down to the bottom. So even though it looks kind of halfway clean, best thing to do is just replace it. And we have an oil filter on this too. And we're gonna replace the fuel filter. We'll grab a spark plug. And on these here, it's between 28 and 30. Just take your feeler gauge. One side of the electrode's on 30, one's on 28, so that should be about right. I'm burning really good too. A little moisture on there, probably using ethanol. Like a little rust buildup on the tip. You have to tell them start burning premium in there. Now I'm going to empty the gas and put fresh premium in there for them right today before they pick it up. And push that in there till it clicks. Okay, well I'm going to let that drain. I want that all drained out before I take the oil filter off. So be right back when it's done draining. The oil drained out of the crankcase. Now it's time to change the oil filter. Before we put our new one on, you want to wipe off where the gasket goes on the oil filter. Make sure there ain't no debris on there. All you gotta do is hand tighten these. Now let's put a new fuel filter on there. Now we just need to put some oil in this. On these 33 cubic inch engines, they usually take with the oil filter 1.5 quarts. I got a half a quart here and a full one here. But I'm gonna pour the full one in, and I'll bring that down to like about 4 ounces left. Start it up, run it, and check it. And these use SAE 30 weight. Gonna leave a little bit, like 4 ounces. Then after we run it, about 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and I'll check it. Recheck that oil. So it's like right in the middle of the crosshatch between the 2 dots, so I can put that little bit left in here. There we go. Off for another mowing season. Well, I hope this video helps you out. I appreciate you watching. If you like my videos, please press the like button. Please subscribe. Anyway, you guys have a good afternoon.